Is it time to buy or sell CoreWeave Class A common stock? In this video, we are diving deep into CoreWeave Class A common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and a deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of July, 2025, our system has identified CoreWeave Class A common stock as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, showing a gain of 1.66%. This results in an average return of 0.42% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $130.89 be breached, it will initially indicate a slower pace of growth, but may also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 208.60% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 187.30% to 391.57%. Our latest daily update for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock includes the headline: a very strong day for CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock price on Tuesday. The price of CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock increased by 6.21% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025. It rose from $132.38 to $140.59. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.77%, reaching a low of $140.8 and a high of $146.75. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 13.78%. Notably, trading volume increased along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an overall volume of 17 million shares, amounting to approximately $2.41 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $186.94, while the lowest price was $33.51. Currently, the price stands 24.79% or $46.35 below the 52-week high of $186.94, which is also the all-time high for the stock. CoreWeave, recognized for its leadership in artificial intelligence infrastructure, has made headlines today with a significant announcement: a $6 billion investment to establish a new AI data center in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This ambitious project encompasses an initial 100-megawatt facility with the potential to expand to 300 megawatts, reflecting a strong demand for AI computing services. The news has led to a noticeable increase in CoreWeave's stock, suggesting robust market optimism regarding the company's growth trajectory. The timing of this investment aligns with the Pennsylvania Energy and Innovation Summit, where other major players, such as Google, are also making substantial commitments to expand their data center operations in the region. This convergence underscores Pennsylvania's potential emergence as a pivotal AI hub in the United States, further enhancing the appeal of investing in related companies like CoreWeave. In the short term, this announcement is likely to generate positive sentiment among investors, potentially leading to further gains in CoreWeave stock as the market responds to the influx of capital and strategic positioning in the thriving AI sector. Over the long term, if CoreWeave successfully executes this project, it could solidify its market share and enhance its competitive edge, which may result in sustained revenue growth and stock price appreciation. Overall, this $6 billion commitment not only signifies CoreWeave's expansion plans, but also highlights its confidence in the future of AI infrastructure services. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, June 25, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned CRWV a neutral grade, along with an initialize action. On Thursday, May 22, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup rated CRWV with a market perform grade and an initialize action. On Wednesday, May 21, 2025, Citigroup assigned CRWV a neutral grade and a hold action. On Thursday, May 15, 2025, Goldman Sachs gave CRWV a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, May 15, 2025, Jefferies rated CRWV with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned CoreWeave Class A common stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for CoreWeave Class A common stock. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing the near short-term outlook. The CRWV Inc. Class A common stock is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may occur at $143.04 and $147.88. A breakout above any of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, June 20, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 23.42%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 17 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average reflects a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CoreWeave Class A common stock. CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock finds support from accumulated volume at $135.05. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.68 between its high and low, representing a movement of 4.77%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -23 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CoreWeave Class A common stock. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CoreWeave Class A common stock is at $150.48. If you do not own any shares, You may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CoreWeave Class A common stock encounters its first support level at $135.05. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CoreWeave Class A common stock from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron conducted an insider sale of 1,460 shares of restricted stock units. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron conducted an insider purchase of 260 shares of Class A common stock. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron conducted an insider purchase of 1,460 shares of Class A common stock. On July 6, 2025, Boone Caron conducted an insider sale of 260 shares of restricted stock units. On June 30, 2025, McB Brannan conducted an insider sale of 109,380 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 53 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 25.064. Overall, insiders purchased 2,816,065 shares and sold 1,424,852 shares in the last 53 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is CoreWeave Class A common stock a good buy? CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that CoreWeave Inc. Class A common stock will likely perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this stock is negative. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we expect CoreWeave Class A common stock to open higher by $1.88, starting at $142.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.